Hello, welcome to Chala Cooks. Today we are going to make the most easiest salmon pasta. First, make sure you have the following ingredients. Before we do anything, let's preheat the oven. Now, let's cut cherry tomatoes in half. On a baking tray, add your salmon pieces, spinach, cherry tomatoes, and a block of cream cheese, herbs, and garlic flavors. Season with oregano, garlic powder, salt, peppers, chili flakes, and lastly, drizzles with olive oil. Bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes. In a hot boiling water, add some salt and olive oil. And now add your own desired pasta. Today I use Vongoloni. Now our pasta sauce is cooked. Make sure to check if the pasta is al dente by biting into a piece. It should be firm to the bite, but not hard. Mix the baked ingredients together. Now mix in your pasta. And there you go, salmon pasta. Quick, easy, and ready to serve. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Like and comment below, and have a lovely day.